Is she not the palm wine seller?
Yes, Father.
No. No way! It will never happen! You can never marry a lowlife. Not under my watch.
No, Father. Why are you disgracing me in front of my wife-to-be, Father?
Did I hear you say your wife-to-be? Are you out of your mind? Nonsense.
Baby!
The ghost blind to
Wait!
And the ghost had less to say there. Not a child, not a child. She is going away. She is going away. And the ghost blind to say there.
She asked me to open the gate for her. Father! Father!
She's running away. Are the ghosts blind to say this? Are the ghosts had less to say this? Not a child, not a child.
Father, what was the meaning of what you displayed out there?
Do you want to challenge me?
Father, nobody can stop me from marrying that girl. Not even you or anybody. Father, you don't even know her and you are condemning her. Father, do you know she's a graduate? Or is it because she's selling palm wine? Father, nobody can stop me from marrying her. She's my life. I have no life without her, Father. Just pray I don't lose her. Yes.
I have said mine. This crazy palm wine seller. Graduate.
What? My father called Chinagorom a low life before her.
Hey!
My father asked me, what am I going to do? My father asked me, please.
I told you. Calm down. I told you before now. I told you. Your father is not a preacher of love. Your father is war. He's in the bosky.
My father asked me, please, Chima, let's go and beg her. Just enter the motor. Let's go and beg her.
What is it? I have told you several times that I do not want to have anything to do with the rich. The rich are so disrespectful. They think the average or the common or even the poor people do not deserve any iota of respect or regard. Was that not what I told you? If you know what is good for you, leave this house right now. I do not want to commit murder.
I'm a mini bank of a beggar house.
I said shut up and leave.
My love, please forgive my father. Please. I am sorry. Please forgive my father. It's not my fault. Please.
You know what? If I go inside that house and come out again, you'll be a dead man.
Gee, I love you. Please.
Not do anything. I'm here. Let me talk to you. She cannot do anything. I'm here.
Gee, I love you.
Leave that love.
this is just like a film. If someone told me that this will happen, I won't believe it.
Wait, Prince. So how about this girl over here? See, my Prince, just take it easy. Where you why? So you will not do what you later regret. She will recall. When she recall, she will call you back. I will talk to her. That is why I'm here for you, my friends. But let me tell you, talk to your father. It's like it's not a breach of love.
Yes.
But
if I will talk to my father, okay? I will straighten my father.
But I don't even know that this girl can shoot gun.
Let him baffles me. So mean.
It's ready to die. Take his life. It's going down, going down. He's ready to die. He's ready to die. He's taking his life.
Joe.
Yes,
my prince. How are you?
It's going down, going down.
I'm fine, my prince. I'm sorry for slapping you. No problem, my prince. It's fine. I know you did it out of anger, but I'm fine now. Hope I'm forgiven. Yes, I've forgiven you. Be good. Thank you, my prince. The prince! My prince, my prince!
Made up his mind. It's going down, going down. He's ready to die. This is wickedness. Wickedness, his heart is evil. He is dangerous. He's a deadly man.
I warned you to stay away from the palace, but you wouldn't listen.
Mama, I'm so sorry. I know you saw everything that happened today, but please forgive me. I'm sorry, Mama.
What is the meaning of life when it's about you?
I warned you not to go to the palace.
Have joy, put in another pain.
After seeing everything, my BP just rose.
When you cry,
Have fever, have headache, every part of my body is paining me.
shows you have no heart.
Mama, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to put you through this. Biko. Oh, Biko.
Always
China Brown, he loves you.
to do evil.
He does love you.
Why are you like this?
Don't let anyone destroy your happiness. Just that things turned out the way they did.
Wickedness, his heart is evil.
I warned you.
He's dangerous. He's a deadly man.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, Mama. You know you did not explain to me the reason I shouldn't go to the palace. But all the same, this will not happen again. Please, you know your BP is already high. Biko, all you need right now is to take shower and eat. I've made food for you. Huh? Biko, I'm so sorry. I won't put you through this again.
So how are you now?
A word is enough.
I'm fine now. Slay me, but it's fine.
Destroy you. What you can do to yourself, don't do that to another. Greediness, selfishness, everything you have is evil. Don't forget, there's a judgment day. Oh, this is wickedness. Wickedness, his heart is evil. He is dangerous. He's a deadly man. Oh, this is wickedness. evil. He's dangerous. He's a deadly man. Oh, this is wickedness. Wickedness is all this evil. He's dangerous. He's a deadly man. Oh, this is wickedness.
Good day, my prince.
Good day, how are you?
I'm fine. My prince, please, can I talk to you?
You are free.
My prince, you know, I've been hearing about you and you've been coming to my father's house. My prince, the thing is, ever since I found out about you, I've been dying for a day to tell you how handsome you are.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. But my heart belongs to someone else.
My prince, I really like you. In fact, I love you. I love you so much. I'm saying this from the bottom of my heart.
I said my heart belongs to someone else. Is that too difficult to understand?
Prince, you can't give me just one chance and I'll prove my love to you. I swear, I really, really do love you. I want to show you the kind of love you have never ever experienced before. Please, just give me a chance.
Why can't you get it? I said I'm in love with someone else. Is that so difficult to understand? Get out.
Don't keep... Mama, where are you headed? I want to go to the palace, Biko. Allow me to go to the palace. Mama, I can't allow you. You know fully well you're not strong enough to walk. Ichi boom. My daughter, just allow me. No, Mama, please. Everything will go wrong. Nothing will go wrong. Your health before anything. Please, go inside and rest. Biko, they will understand. You're not too strong. You've been going to work every day.
What do you want this time? What are you doing here?
I'm here to work in place of my mother. My mother is, yes, she's the chef, but she's not feeling fine today.
Hold on.
Who did you say is your mother?
The chef.
What happened to the child?
I lost my child.
It's okay. The gods are wise.
She was a stillbirth.
Gods are wise. I want to see your mother immediately. So you have to go home.
All right, Your Highness.
Father, what is going on here?
I am not going to say anything until I see her mother. You, take me.
don't want to believe that father has another child outside.
Why did you lie to me that she's dead?
What are you talking about?
Do not lie to me.
Your Majesty, how do you expect me to give my child, my own child that has her life laid ahead of her, for you to wife? That's very improper.
Have you forgotten the oath that you took? It's irreversible. Listen, she is my wife, and nothing can change that.
What was the meaning of that? Like, sincerely, I do not understand what ego means by she is my wife. I hope the king is not referring to me.
Sit. Mama, Ego was referring to you.
It's hallucinating.
Never was pregnant with you. The father had an accident with his bike and died. 2 months down the line, I couldn't feed myself. I couldn't even raise money to go for my antenatal checkups. I had no money to run to, and I went to the eBay.
Please help me. I don't want to die of food.
It's okay. I will help you.
Thank you. Thank you.
But remember, I am doing this because you're pregnant.
You're in us forever. Thank you.
He gave me a job at the palace. I started working in the palace. When I was 8 months in the pregnancy, he now brought in the SMO to bind you and him. So that when you are born, as you grow into a woman, now you now marry him.
Majesty, you join both of you as husband. What I see now is beyond me.
What did you see?
The child. Your Majesty, the child will be a being of the kingdom. But I was not shown the kingdom.
That's my kingdom! Thank the gods for getting me out.
not yours.
That means I will have to train her here and then get her used to me.
One more thing, but it is a secret.
Explain.
When the child begins to develop breast, they will begin to make love to her. All you need to do, Your Majesty, is to stand me alone.
Thank you. I will do as you said.
Your Majesty, I beg to leave.
So when you were born, because I didn't want that for you, because then the person said it's going to be your choice. So I now lied to him that you died at birth. I said I wasn't going to be living in the palace again. I'll be coming to work from the house so that I'll be able to take care of you.
Never. Mama, I said, the truth is, I can't even comprehend this. I do not understand it because it's quite unbelievable. How on earth am I supposed to get married to that king? Someone who is old enough to be my father. Are we talking child abuse? I do not get it. No. Mama, I am definitely not getting married to the king. Final full stop.
That was 1 year ago, and he said it's your choice.
And my choice is definitely not him. I cannot get married to the king. This is unbelievable.
That's why I protected you. And this is why I didn't want you to go to the palace. You see, now I didn't want you to go to the palace from the beginning.
Mama, listen. Put yourself together. I'm now a full-grown woman. I have the right to decide who I will get married to and who I do not want to get married to. I do not care about how Igwe feels. So relax your nerves. I'm not getting married to him. He's old enough to be my father. That is it. I don't like your mood, Mama. See, put yourself... Okay, let me even ask you. Who am I to you?
You're my daughter. A friend. I got my sacrifice a lot for you. I gave up a whole lot for you. That was why I had to lie. To protect you. I didn't want any harm to come to you.
Mama, it's fine. Thank God I'm old enough to protect myself. Now that your lies are now in the open. I love you so much. Just be strong. Biko, be strong. People won't kidnap me now. Imagine I'll carry you along. Biko, be strong. My name is Chinagolomo. Be strong. Before your name wedding.
You lie, Father. She is my wife.
She is betrothed to me.
This is barbaric.
It is culture. A king has the right to marry as many wives as he wishes.
Listen to yourself. You forced a woman to give you her daughter just because she's handicapped.
If you say one more word, I'll put a curse on you.
I don't care. I don't care if you curse me. The girl you're dragging with me is the same girl you said she's low class.
Do you want to change what the gods have joined together?
I will see to the root of this. Father, are you not ashamed of yourself? Dragging a woman with your son?
Do you understand the implications of a son marrying his father's wife?
Wife you'll let me marry to and the one you're not let me marry to.
Wait. Are you dragging for a wife with your father?
I'm not dragging a wife with you. That girl is my wife and nobody can take her away from me. Not even you or anybody.
Palace on fire, Palace on fire, Palace on fire, Palace on fire.
I told your father all he needed to know. when I was about to join the union, the child spoke to me. She said, there is a queen of the kingdom. When the time comes, she has a decision.
Wise one. What are you trying to say?
Go for your queen, for both of you are destined to live together.
Thank you, wise one. I appreciate it.
Once again, start preparing for the marriage. And when the time comes, let me know. I have a secret for your father.
Thank you, wise one. I appreciate it. Shia, I'm sorry for what we have passed through because of my father. Yes, I know my family is not worthy to come close to your family, but I'm here to make amends.
Between king and prince. Woman palava between king and prince.
I've heard, but I still have my choice to make.
Yes, that's what Ezemo said, and I'm here to ask you to marry me.
I do not want to have anything to do with you or your father.
She, look into my heart and know if you're taking the right decision.
Done, but still, my answer remains the same. I don't want you. I do not want your father.
Wait, she, please. I have no life without you. Yes, you are all I think of. Please don't leave me, please. Accept me.
My answer is still no.
Are the gods blind to say this? Are the gods heartless to say this? Not a child, not a child. She is going away. She's going away.
I heard everything that happened.
How could father decide to marry a girl out of her wish? Instead of him to revoke his word, he's still standing on it.
What are you going to do about it?
I've tried talking to her.
And what did she say?
She said she's not interested in any of us. And I don't need to force her. As Ezemo said, she has a choice to make.
I think you should go and meet the chief priest. Only him can help you beg her.
You have a point there. I think I will go immediately. But if I don't marry her, this house will not contain me and father.
Palace on fire,
That's okay, we still have father.
Palace on fire, Palace on fire, Wah, between king and prince. Woman palava between king and prince. Wah, between prince and...
Wise one, please help me talk to her. She may listen to me.
I will talk to her. But she has a lot to know about herself.
Wise one, please help my friend. He's going crazy. Alana was working.
Everything that is happening for a purpose.
See, my prince, you have to make peace with your father.
Never. I can't do that. We have more than 1 million maidens in this community. He can choose any other person and not my woman.
My prince, it's high time you come close to your father. Pamper him, pet him, show him love. Don't forget, you are next to the throne. Wobelogena, Apobagi, Igwe.
Chima.
Even though you are going to get married to that girl, no problem, fine. It's your choice. I can't deny you for your happiness. But find a way, you know what your daddy likes. So let's be matured here, please.
Since I know you, today is the only day you reason with your brain and not your hands. I appreciate it. Chima. Hey.
My daughter, the prince is the chosen one for you. Accept him and live with him. Have you ever thought of the reason you dream of him? Have you?
No.
Before you were born, you told me you love the prince.
Did I say such?
Oh yes. That is the reason I am here to tell you what you told me. I urge you not to fail what you told me.
Palace on fire, Palace on fire, Palace on fire.
Mama, don't worry, I'll be back. Mama, don't worry yourself. You know you're not feeling too well. Just relax. Mama, relax. Don't worry. I'm not an armed I'm I'm not a thief. One of them are joke.
Don't show that she's not a skill. Zurugori. Did she feel anything from you? Oh, get out. You came order from king. Which king? Careful. I'm coming there now.
Now tell me why you cannot be my wife. Or do you want me to cut you with a knife?
My king, I'd rather die than get married to you. I do not love you. I do not have any iota of feeling for you. Your son is the person I love. Yes, and come to think of it, my king, you're old enough to be my father. Yes, I can't be your wife. We are not talking child
Then
abuse.
get ready to deal with my wrath. Guards! Lock her up immediately.
He's ready to die. Are the gods blind to say this? Are the gods heartless to say this? Not a child. She is going away. She's going away. Are the gods blind to say this? Are the gods heartless to say this?
What have I done to deserve this kind of treatment in this kingdom? Eh? I'm not an intruder. What is all this?
Let me go!
Let
Let me go!
Maduga, palace on fire. Maduga, palace on fire. Maduga, wow.
Your Majesty, the gods are angry with you.
The gods can't be angry with me because they are the ones that joined us together.
There are lots of maidens in this community. Why don't you use your power to marry any other? Why are you choosing the same girl that has been destined for your sons? You do not want the happiness of your son, do you?
You said power.
Yes.
That's the power I'm using to collect what rightfully belongs to me.
One more thing. Chinagorom is a goddess of this earth. Do not allow her tears to touch this earth. It does. When the calamity will come, Your Majesty, I cannot come with your help to you.
What did you say?
I am on my way.
Go and tell my son that I have imprisoned his girlfriend.
As my king wishes. My prince, long live. Your father locked up Chinagoram.
I didn't hear you well.
Your father, the king, locked up Chinagoram.
What?
This is my woman! Why I burn down this entire building?
Father, you're not saying anything.
It's okay. I will do as you said. Guards!
Yes.
Go and bring her out.
As the king wishes.
Wake up. Wake up! The king wants to see you.
Both of you are sacked. I don't want to see any of you close to this palace.
What is going on here? Kneel down, both of you.
Father, what are you trying to do?
I'm sorry. I was not trying to run away. I was not trying to run away.
I give you my blessings. And from today onwards, I bound any child abuse marriage in this community.
Thank you, Father.
Thank you, Father.
I understand I destined this young child here to be the queen of this kingdom. But the word of the king can never go void. I never knew all this time I was preparing her for my son. Son, I sincerely apologize for all that I have put you through. I am really sorry.
Brother, you have to forgive Father. He's sincerely sorry for all he's done to you and your lady. Please forgive him.
I have forgiven you, Father.
Your Highness, I have something to say. I'm so sorry. If I've disrespected you in any way, please forgive me. Oh, my princess, I'm sorry for slapping you the other day. I'm sorry. My prince.
Obi.
From the first day I set my eyes on you, I
I've always loved you.
Hope I love you more. Father, please bless our home.
Okay. Sure. I'll bless your home with love.
Ise!
With understanding.
Ise!
And with lots and lots of wealth.
Ise!
Well, son, just fix a date and I will inform the rest of my neighboring kings.
Alright, Father. I will update you.
You have been deceiving me. Love is not my fault. You have been deceiving me. Love is not my fault. You have been collecting money from me. You know me. You are deceiving me. You are deceiving me. What do you want? Please, come on, mom. Look at mom. What is it you do?
She know the fear, she know they see anybody where they come. No fighter, ever ready to give you trouble if you find the trouble. No double. She know the fear, she know they see anybody where they come. No fighter, ever ready to give you trouble if you find the trouble. Now wahala. Who ready to find her? She go find you come. Who ready to beat her? She go beat you first. She know they keep quiet, yo. She dey by her right, yo. They walk out your own, they go your own. Make sure they go her own, yo. Come out to the shop, yo. Come out to the wow. Be strong like man, yo. Everybody just the fear. Which kind girl be this, yo? Which kind girl be this, yo? If not die, you wonder she go give you die. If not cry, you want she go give you cry. Avoid her, make she day her own, yo. Oh. Give her space, she go give you space. Aha.